If you want to start making money online in 2026 but you don't know where to start, this video will show you 3 real side hustles that beginners are using to earn money online. Freelancing means selling your skills online. Skills like writing, graphic design, and video editing are always in demand. You can start on websites like Fiverr or Upwork and get paid for completing small tasks. YouTube automation is another powerful side hustle. You create videos without showing your face and earn money from ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote products and earn commissions for every sale. You don't need to create a product, just promote it using social media. These 3 side hustles are beginner-friendly and can help you start earning online in 2026. Subscribe to MoneyRise Academy for more videos about making money online.